Okay, so this is how you're going to swap out a 10-degree force point extension stop and substitute it for this is a 30-degree extension stop. So we're trying to limit hyperextension. We're going to utilize the force point key. So you pop it out of the internal side of the hinge. I'm going to place it in here. Twist counterclockwise to displace the screw. Sometimes because it's so small, I kind of want to take it out with my fingers so I don't lose anything. Set that to the side. And now we're going to place the 30-degree extension in. It's going to wrap around that little arm. You can see that there. And you're going to place the screw back in. And twist. Tighten that down. Okay. And then it runs into the rubber stopper there, and there's your extension stop, and then it'll hit and limit that hyperextension. So not only do you have the force point that's activated, but then it hits that 30-degree extension stop. You're going to do the same thing on the other side as well. So place your key in, twist here. We're taking out the 10-degree extension stop. Take that out, use the screw, take the 30-degree, and it's hard to see. If you want to see on the inside here, kind of flip it over. Can you see the little arm right there? Yeah, there you go. Right there, you see that? Yeah, right there. Okay, so this will wrap around that little arm there.